Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the surfaces. This is what makes the adhesive work. Clean both wall and item with 70% isopropyl alcohol and let dry, no soap residue. Next, choose the correct Command XL strip size for the object's weight. Manufacturers list limits on the package. Once chosen, plan and lightly mark the top edge where the item will hang so you can align perfectly. Now remove a paper liner and attach the strip to the object. Press firmly for 30 seconds to set the bond. Once the strip is on the object, you must secure it correctly. Align the item to your pencil marks and press the strip-coated side to the wall, applying steady pressure for 30 seconds. Now remove the remaining backing from the exposed side and press the item again against the wall for another 30 seconds, ensuring full contact. Make sure to wait at least 1 hour before putting any weight on the hook or picture. For heavier items, use 2 or more XL strips and distribute weight evenly to avoid shear stress. You finish by testing gently, apply light pressure, then load fully after the 1-hour cure time. If you ever need to remove the strip, heat the adhesive with a hairdryer for 20-30 seconds to soften it, then peel the strip slowly parallel to the wall to avoid paint damage. If the strip fails to hold, make sure the surface was truly clean and non-porous. Once done, replace with new strips or upgrade to the next size up. This avoids repeat failures and preserves your surfaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.